Welcome back, everyone. My name is Bob Rafferty, and today we're going to continue our series of ChatGPT tutorials. Today, I think what we're going to do is we're going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to help you formulate an email or a message or a letter to somebody. So let's get into it. Let's see. I want you to help me write a or an email my boss, asking about a raise. So it says, sure, here's a template you can use to ask your boss for a raise. Subject, request for a discussion on compensation. Dear boss's name, I hope you're doing well. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for the opportunities and experiences I've had working with the team over the past so and so time period. I truly enjoy my role and I'm proud of the work we've accomplished together. As part of my ongoing professional growth and commitment to the success of the team, I would like to request a meeting to discuss my compensation. Given my contributions, including, and then mention key achievements or responsibilities, I believe it would be a good time to revisit my salary and explore the possibility of a raise. Please let me know when you might have time to meet. I appreciate your consideration, and I'm looking forward to continuing to grow within the company. Thank you, and then my name. So here we can say, okay, my name is Bob Rafferty, and then I've worked for this company for 10 years. My boss's name is Jim Jackson. I have been the lead programmer on the email project for the last 2 years. We have created a great product for our clients. Let's hit enter. See what ChatGPT spits out for us. So here, now you can see, up top it said dear boss's name. Now I told it what my boss's name was. So it says, dear Jim, and let's see, I didn't put a company name in, but it does say over the past 10 years. It's been a rewarding experience as a lead programmer on the email project for the last 2 years. I've seen the impact of our efforts. So you can see it has um, rewritten the email to my boss with all the information that I filled in. So let's say my company name. My company name is Email Plus. So it's going to go and it's going to update this. Now remember, see it says here memory updated. So works at a company named Email Plus. So now it's remembering that Bob Rafferty works at a company named Email Plus. And you'll find down here I've opportunities that I've had working at Email Plus over the past 10 years. So it filled that in for me. Now let's say I don't want to be quite as formal. Let's say make the email a little more light-hearted. So then it's going to say, here's a lighter, more casual version of the email. Hey, hi Jim. I hope you're doing well. I've been reflecting on my 10 years here at Email Plus, and I just want to say how much I've enjoyed being part of the team. It's been an exciting ride, especially leading the email project over the past 2 years. I'm proud of what we built and the impact it's had on our clients. With that in mind, I'd love to set up a time to chat about my compensation and see if we can align it with the value I'm bringing to the team these days. Let me know when you might have some time available to talk. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much, Bob Rafferty. So this feels a little less formal, a little more lighthearted. My personality, I'd probably send an email that was more like this, the second one here, rather than the first one. But again, it really depends on your relationship with your boss, how close you are with your boss, that type of thing. Um, we could tell it, um, make the email very formal and see what it tells us. So now we have, instead of hi Jim, we have dear Mr. Jackson. I trust this message finds you well. I'm writing to express my continued gratitude for the opportunities I've had with during my 10 years with Email Plus. It's been a privilege to contribute to the growth of to the company's growth and success. So you can tell this is much more formal here and sincerely down here rather than a thanks so much. Um, so this just gives you um, just makes writing these emails so much easier. I know for me, trying to sit down and come up with the right wording for an email can be difficult at times. You don't want to offend people. You don't want to come on too strong. But you can actually have ChatGPT create these emails for you, and then once it spits it out and you read it, you say, "Yeah, that's a little bit too strong. Let's make it a little bit softer." You can have it tweak it for you. So yeah, just another example. Hope you liked the video. We're going to try to keep these videos short, like I have been, between 5 and 10 minutes. And that way you can click on the videos that you want to see. But yeah, if you have any suggestions for videos, put them in the comments. If you have any questions, put those in the comments. And just make sure you please like and subscribe to the videos. And we're going to try to keep them coming. And I will talk with you all soon. Have a great day.